Hi all, welcome to Ultra Phoenix Technology. Today I come up with new lesson called Generative Shape Design. So in CATIA, Generative Shape Design is a workbench used to create complex 3D surface and wireframe geometry. It enables parametric model for advanced shape commonly used in automotive and aerospace. Um, so today we going to create this complex sheet metal part in generative shape design. Let's see how to create in generative shape design. So to create the complex part sheet metal, first you go to start, shape, and select the generative shape design. So it will enable the window. So here today I going to select enable hybrid design and create a geometrical set. So this part I will call rear front panel. So just give OK. Now we are in generative shape design. You can see uh, the surface command in window. So just to understand generative shape design, why we need generative shape design. uh, when we design complex part uh, which have travel different, which involve different plane, so that time we will, it is difficult to design in solid model. So that time we will use surface design to use to create the part. So it is very simple. So let's show how to design. So first select any one plane and go to sketch. So I am creating the lion. So this lion is in angle. So give the dimension 8 degree and give the value 50. Extend the line so little bigger, give exit. So now using the extrude command, so extrude the line. So making mirror extend 100 mm. So now again select the same plane, sketch, one more line. offset the plane, reverse direction 50 mm, and create the intersect. This plane with this surface, if you intersect, you will get the line. So now select the sweep command and go to the second option, select the with the draft direction. So now select your guide and give the direction. And give the value 10 degree. Give preview. So give 50 here also. Okay. So to get this angle little smoother, I will increase the angle 30 degree. I want little smoother, so I will go 60 degree. 60 degree. So increase the value 100. Okay. You want little smoother, you just move this sketch a little bit closer. 30. Finish. Increase the angle to 75. Okay. Now we have smoother. Now we need to create the fillet. So before that, you just create the geometrical set. Inside geometrical set, you can name like base part or top face. Give OK. So now go with fillet option, select this face and this face, give the value of 30 and select this face and this face and give the value for same 30. Sorry, you can select other direction, give OK. Yes, so this is what we want. So if you want to increase the radius, you can increase. So this radius is not sufficient. To make it more radius, 60. Give OK. Okay, so now radius is fine. So now we need to select, we need to draw the side face. So to select the side face, so this I'll create one more geometrical set inside geometrical set 1 side face side face side face. So now select the top plane, sketch, and draw the line, little angular, then give the value. Okay, so if you want, later we will change the dimension. Right now you can give like this. So I will round up the value 45. Exit. Now what we are planning to do, again you will sweep the command. So select the curve in the Z direction. So preview. So basically we want the other way, this direction, correct? So it has to go like this. Okay, this is done. And give okay. Now can give edge fillet, here, here. The value is 30. So once this is done, then you can do symmetric. Just mirror this one based on the center plane, so we'll get other side. So I will little bit, I'll increase this value, this extruded value first. Okay, now we done the side part. Now we need to create the front part. So front part, I will create one more geometrical set. Front part, geometrical set 1, give OK. So now I will create one more line. Go to sketch, again go to sweep, select the line, the direction is z direction, give preview. Okay, this one should be, then change the direction. Okay, not this one, x, yes, this is the direction we want, but so increase the length. View. So give 100. So I will bring a little bit closer. 130. Exit. Yes. So now our part is fine. So now what we'll do, so now we will trim the part. So now we need to create one bottom surface. So before trim, we'll create the bottom surface. So geometrical set, go to bottom face, select geometrical set 1, give OK. So now we will create bottom surface. So bottom size surface will be little angled. Like this. Okay, 9 degree, exit. So similarly this surface will come like this, to go this way. So then I need to select one more sketch. I need to draw the line like this. Select the angle. If you want to, you will change the angle later. 85. Exit. So this line has to cross, so I will increase this line like this. Okay, we need one more line in between. So selecting same section, I'll draw one more line crossing these two like this. Constrain the line to the angle. So now here it's somewhat, you need to make a circle, sketch again, some circle here. So it will look somehow like this. Hundred, hundred, 115. Okay, then this radius 155. Okay, exit. Now we will create the extrude for this one. Mirror extend 150, and we'll create line for this one. Okay, then we'll create extrude for the inclined line. This one. Okay, so now we will make the circle also. Will extrude this circle, extend. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we will make a fillet, edge fillet. No, we are making shape fillet. First you connect this face and this angle face. Preview, not this way. So reverse the arrow, give preview. Yes, this is how it should be. Once this is done, then we need to connect this face to this face, the other way around. Preview, yes. Okay, so now this is done. Now we need to connect this circle. So this face and this face. Preview, yes, this is what we want. So now you can see this profile is, it's little angled, and here it's somehow curved, then again it's going top. So that's why we created this shape. So this is base face. So this is, we created face, bottom face, front face, side face, and top face. We created all. So now we are going to create the final surface. So create geometrical, inside geometrical one, final surface, final, we'll give final, give OK. So now what we need to do, we need to trim this one with this face. So make shape fillet this face with this face. So how it should look, preview, yes, give the radius 20. Okay, so then the side one, Then the other side, this one, this one. Review. Okay, reverse this direction. Yes, give OK. Now top side is done. We make this front also. Fillet this one to this one. Make it inside. Preview. Yes, exactly. So we created the top face. So we need to, it is little, extend this line, so it has to cross the, yes, this is correct. So now what we are doing, so we created the side face, front face, side face. Now we need to make a cutout here, pocket here. So for the pocket, we'll select this face and go to sketch. So I will create the center rectangle. Create it. Sorry. Give the value. This face to this face. How much you want, and what is the width. 50. Okay. Exit. So now sweep this one. Select this curve. So direction, that direction. Okay. Preview. Okay, reduce the angle little bit. Give 10. Preview. Okay, maybe direction is wrong. I will select the direction. X. Sorry. Y. Okay, but we want other way around. Yes, this is how we want. Okay, so I don't want this much depth actually, so we change this value to 20. Preview. Okay, give okay. Then what, so this also no need that much length, so this 100 become 50. Okay, now what I plan to do, I will fill the bottom surface, fill the bottom one. one, fill this edge, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Close this one, then join. Okay, now it is joined. Now show your final surface. This is our final surface. Now make the trim. Go to trim this face to this face. Other side, okay, okay, sorry, change the direction, yes, this is what we want. So now we give the fillet. So if we want a bigger in rectangle, I will change this rectangle a little bit bigger in size. Instead of 50, I will change to 80. From here to here is 40. I will go 30. This one 60. Okay, so let's see how it comes. Okay, it's fine. Now still we can increase if you want. 80 also I think fine. Go with 80, 40. Let's see how it look. Okay, nice. This is how we want. Now we will make this fillet. Let's see. So we created this one, this one, this one, this one. So we need to create hole in the middle. Okay. So now go to fillet, edge fillet, select this edge and select this edge and give 10. Yes, it came properly. And give variable fillet, select this edge and select this point. We want some different radius here to one more point here. So how much? Yes, 10 is there. So make it 20, 20, preview. So this we want little bigger. Here you make it 15. 15, preview. Okay, fine. Okay, so we created this surface. So now we want to reduce this angle a little bit. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will make a hole in the center. So select the sketch, quick sketch, make circle here. So make one more circle here, then draw some elongated hole. Okay, done. So give the value, diameter 25, location from distance 90, then this one also I will give the 30, then here to this distance is 50, then give this this value, how much you want. I will give 50 right now. Okay, so that's it. Exit. Now select sweep, select the curve one, okay, then we'll go to extrude, okay, give okay. Now we will split. Not trim, so we need to split. Delete. So split. Hide this one. You see, we will create the hole. So now what we need to do, we need to trim the top surface. To trim the top surface, we need to create one more line here. So select the face and go to sketch, 120. Okay, exit, then extrude. Okay, we created. So now we need one more square cut here, so we'll select one more sketch to design this one. We'll draw the give the value, hundred, 120, 20. Exit. Now extrude this one. Okay, done. Now face fillet, say fillet, select this face, select this one, so preview, so give the value less, other way around, preview. Okay, done. And give some edge fillet in this corner, not this much, go with 5. Okay, done. So we done this other part also. So only thing is, so this curve should come little down, so I need to edit this bottom face. This is fine. Make 10 degree. Okay, that is the angle to 5. Okay, exit. Now the sketch I will make little more flat, 20, 25. Okay, so that is the value to 80. Okay, now I need to intersection point. This should be somewhere here. This is fine. So now it's coming perfect. We'll increase to same, reduce this value to 100. Yes, fine. Now we are getting correct. So what I done, so I want this arc should be somewhere here. So after this arc or curve, we need some slope. Earlier it was little ahead, so that's why I adjust. So now it is look fine. So now we'll prepare for the final trim. So what we'll do, we'll make final part. So here what we'll do, we will make a fillet, shape fillet, this surface and this one. So 10. Okay, so direction is wrong. Preview. Okay, what is the problem? It's creating, okay, here it is not intersecting properly. So this intersection should go little higher. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go bottom. This sketch should be little more bigger. Yes, now it is fine. Yes, now we will get proper intersection. Face fillet, this face, other way around. So this one is creating issue. Problem with this one, so what I need to do, I need to increase this one a little bit bigger. Now it is fine. Okay, now I'll get proper. Yes, I will make a fillet, this face with this face. So reverse the direction, preview. Yes, now it's happening. So I want to increase the value to 10. Okay, now it is done. So now what we need to do, we will show this top face, not top face, sorry, we need to go show the side face, both side face. Then we need to show the front face, okay, side face, front face is there. So we will offset all these surface, then we will trim with the bottom one. So how to offset? So first I will select side face, define our face, go to offset surface, select, give 20 mm reverse direction, preview, yes, done. Okay, similarly, so other surface 20 given, similarly front side 20, preview, yes, given. Okay, so we done all three surface offset. So now what we'll do, we need to make a fillet, shape fillet of this offsetted surface, this one and this one. So inside, preview, yes, it happened. Okay, then go to same option, fillet this one and this one, inside, preview, yes. Now with the final one, fillet this one and this one. So all are inside, preview, yes. So we done. So this is our off. So now we need to make our final trim. Define our face, go to final part, select the final split, final part with the trim face. Okay, just I'll hide this one. Side face, hide, front face, hide. Okay, it is not fillet properly. Here and all, okay. Here is the issue. So here, okay. This both are problem, creating problem. So because of this front face, so what we need to do, front face, so we need to increase this one little more. $120. Okay. Similarly, the side face, this face, side face, this one also I need to increase the value, 120. And so I need to increase a little bit. fillet happen properly. So the issue is here the fillet is not working. So now I hope so the issue will solve. Okay. So now what I will trim this one. Split, not trim. Going to split. Split this face with this one, other side. Okay. Right. So now we got the final surface. So hide all the one, show sorry, bottom to hide. So we got the final output. So now activate the part body, go to start, mechanical design, part design, select the thickness, select the face, so give 1.5, preview, give OK. So now hide this one. So our final output is ready. I hope everyone will learn something from this video. So this is how we need to create so the complex sheet metal part using generative shape design. So just to summarize what I done. So totally we have top surface, bottom surface, the left and right face and the front face. So that's what I used to create in the geometrical set, top surface separately and the side faces separately and front face separately and the bottom face separately. So once all the faces are created, then in the final surface I added into one single entity. So once everything is completed, then I created the sheet metal. So that's it from my side, and I hope everyone will enjoy this video and learn something from this video. Thanks all for watching this video. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get more update and notification from Ultra Phoenix Technology. Thank you all viewers and learners for watching this video.